What does the future of the global economy look like in 2024? It's a question that has been on the minds of many, especially in uncertain times. To answer this, we turn to the predictions of Goldman Sachs Research, one of the world's leading global investment banking, securities, and investment management firms. According to Goldman Sachs Research, the global economy will exceed expectations in 2024, similar to its performance in 2023. This optimistic outlook is based on expectations of strong income growth, cooling inflation, a robust job market, and a recovery in manufacturing. The forecast for worldwide gross domestic product, or GDP, growth in 2024 is 2.6%, higher than the consensus forecast of 2.1%. This prediction is more optimistic about GDP growth in 2024 compared to the consensus for 8 out of the 9 largest economies. The United States, in particular, is expected to outpace other developed market peers in terms of growth. In 2023, the global economy performed better than expected, with solid GDP growth and improved labor market performance. Unemployment rates decreased across economies, even in those with low GDP growth. Inflation, the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, is cooling across G10 and emerging market economies. Goldman Sachs Research predicts that this trend will continue into 2024, with core inflation falling from 3% to an average range of 2 to 2.5% across the G10. The probability of a US recession in the next 12 months is estimated to be 15%. Policymakers in developed markets are unlikely to cut interest rates before the second half of 2024, while emerging markets may announce policy cuts sooner. In the East, Japan's inflation pickup was desired, and the Bank of Japan is expected to move towards an exit from its yield curve control policy in April 2024. China's GDP growth is predicted to slow to 4.8% in 2024, but policy stimulus and a rebound in global trade may partially offset this. In conclusion, the year 2024 is expected to bring about an optimistic performance in the global economy. With strong income growth, a robust job market, and cooling inflation, the world's economy is predicted to exceed expectations, outpacing the performance of previous years. It's a future filled with potential and promise, and it's a future we're all eagerly anticipating.